Most women experience these three symptoms and don't even realize they're connected to their hormones. Once you understand what they actually mean, everything suddenly makes sense. Today, I'm sharing what these three symptoms are, what your body is really trying to tell you, and how to actually fix it. Hey, I'm Evelyn, a holistic wellness coach specializing in women's hormone health and fertility. But here we go beyond that, from balancing hormones to mastering your emotions and embracing feminine energy. This is your space for all things holistic wellness, empowerment, and transformation. Get ready to reclaim your confidence, elevate your energy, and step into your most magnetic self. If that speaks to you, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and welcome to the channel. If you're currently looking for one-on-one support on your hormone balancing or fertility journey, I'd love to connect with you. You can book a free wellness consultation with me to see if working together would be a good fit. I'll include the link in the description box below. Before we dive in, I want to quickly mention that I'm not a medical doctor and this video is for educational purposes only. This is not medical advice. Always consult your doctor before making any health changes. Now let's get into it. Symptom 1. Waking up in the middle of the night, especially between 2 and 3 a.m. If you're frequently waking up in the middle of the night, it's a sign that cortisol is elevated and your adrenals are under stress. Cortisol is your primary stress hormone, but it's also your wake up and go hormone, the one that gets you out of bed in the morning. So if you're waking up between 2 and 3 a.m., it means your cortisol is spiking when it shouldn't be. This often happens because your circadian rhythm is off and your adrenals are overworked. It's also the time of night when your liver does most of its detox work. When detox is sluggish, whether from stress, inflammation, excess hormones, or blood sugar imbalances, your body may release extra cortisol to help, which wakes you up. So if you find yourself suddenly awake and alert at this time, it's usually because your body is stuck in fight or flight, struggling to regulate stress hormones. So how do we fix this? I have 2 videos where I go in depth on this topic, and I highly recommend checking them out. I'll link them in the description box below. Symptom number 2, constant bloating. If you're constantly bloated, even when you eat healthy, it could be a sign of excess hormones and poor detoxification. When your detox pathways slow down, estrogen, cortisol, and other hormones aren't being cleared properly. Instead, they recirculate and overaccumulate, leading to bloating, water retention, constipation, and feeling puffy or inflamed. One simple way to support detoxification is by adding beans into your diet. The soluble fiber binds to excess hormones and helps your body flush them out naturally. I'll link my full video on how to use beans for hormone detox so you can start implementing this easily. Symptom 3, sensitivity to bright light. If bright lights feel overwhelming lately, whether it's sunlight, overhead lights, or screens, this can be a sign of adrenal dysfunction. Your adrenals help regulate your stress response and energy levels throughout the day. When they're overworked, your nervous system becomes hypersensitive, and bright light is one of the most common triggers. Even normal light can start to feel intense or draining. Supporting your adrenals can help reduce this sensitivity and bring your body back to a more balanced, grounded state. Again, I've linked 2 videos below that will walk you through exactly how to do this. Now I'm curious, which of these symptoms do you relate to most? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And again, if you're looking for one-on-one support on your hormone balancing or fertility journey, I'd love to connect with you. You can book a free wellness consultation with me to see if working together would be a good fit. And be sure to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.